Hey everyone, in this video I will discuss about the forex market. Foreign exchange market is an interbank market which came into shape in India in 1971 when global trade shifted from fixed rate to floating rate. This transaction is a set of transactions among forex market agents involving exchange of specified sum of money of one currency to the another currency. In normal language, we can understand that if you want to visit another country like USA, you want to convert your rupee to dollar. So this is known as foreign exchange. Now there are some benefit of forex that I will read from book. First one is liquidity. The market operates the enormous money supply and gives absolute freedom in opening or closing a position in the current market quotation. High liquidity is a very powerful magnet for any investor because it gives the freedom to open or close a position of any size whatever. Promptness. With a 24-hour work schedule, participants in forex market need not wait to respond to any given event as is the case in many markets. Other markets take a very long time to respond. Availability. A possibility to trade round the clock. A market participant need not wait to respond to any given event. There are flexible regulation of the trade arrangement system. A position may be opened for a predetermined period of time in forex market at investor's discretion, which enables to plan the timing of one's future activity in advance. Now we will come to another topic which is intercorporate deposits. These are unsecured borrowings by any corporate or financial institution which is in need of funds from other corporate which has more funds, means surplus funds, so they will lend, but there is one thing, the rate of interest will be very high as available by another banks, or I will read from book in detail. The short-term credit rating of corporate would determine the rate at which corporate would be able to borrow funds. This lending would be on uncollateralized basis and hence a higher rate of interest would be demanded by the lender. ICDs would be higher than those of certificate of deposit market. Tenor of ICD may range from 1 day to 1 year, but the most common tenor is 90 days. Primary dealers are only permitted to borrow in ICD market, and net owned funds, only 50% of net owned funds they can borrow, and minimum tenor of borrowing is 7 days for primary dealers. Now the next topic is interest rate futures. The maturity is for 1 year. They are interest rate bearing instrument. There may be some questions from this one. So one question may be, what is the maturity of interest rate future? That is 1 year. Another question may be, where these are launched. They are launched in India on National Stock Exchange. That may be the question. That was all about it. Thank you.